Hi kids, it's इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H. Let's learn colors name. Brown, pink, yellow, pink, black, light green, green, red, violet, blue, orange, and sky blue color. Let's start. A, B, C, D, brown color, E, F, G, H, black color, A, B, C, D, F, G, green color, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's read again. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for duck, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse. Kids, thanks for watching. Like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.